In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Docs file as a PDF document. This straightforward process can be incredibly helpful when you need a document that's easy to share or has a fixed format that will display consistently across different devices and platforms. Whether you're preparing a report, a resume, or a creative piece, exporting your file as a PDF can ensure that all your hard work looks exactly how you intended, no matter where it's viewed. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is have your document open in Google Docs. This might seem like an obvious step, but sometimes it's easy to overlook. Especially if you're working on multiple projects, make sure you're in the correct document that you want to convert to a PDF. Once you've confirmed and opened that document, head over to the top left corner of your screen. There, you will find a menu option labeled File. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu brimming with additional options crucial for handling your document. From this menu, look for the option that says Download. Hovering over or clicking Download will present you with more choices. You will see several formats listed, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on the one that reads PDF Document, .pdf. By selecting this option, Google Docs will automatically begin the download of your document in a PDF format, directly onto your computer. This method is quick, ensuring that your document retains its formatting and structure precisely as you have arranged it in Google Docs. Now, let's explore an alternative approach. While this might not be the method you use every time, it's good to know that it exists for those moments when you need a slightly different way of achieving the same outcome. So, back in the File menu, you'll also find an option labeled Print. While it may appear unrelated initially, selecting this option brings up a print dialog window. It's here that the magic happens. If you glance at the Destination section within this dialog, you'll see it defaults to your likely usual printer. To change this, click on the drop-down box that appears. Among the various destinations listed, choose Save as PDF. Once selected, this effectively sets your document's destination to a file rather than an actual physical printer. To complete the process, hit Save, allowing Google Docs to create a PDF document on your computer. This alternative method can come in handy if you find yourself frequently switching between formats or if your download option ever encounters issues. Now, you have two effective ways to convert your Google Docs into a PDF document, ensuring you have a versatile and polished piece ready to be shared and viewed by others. Thank you for watching, and happy converting.